Hi there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 435D Msport Gran Coupe here at your next car. So of course we're going to begin with a walk around the exterior whilst I talk you through some of the features and options. Then I'm going to make my way around. I'll go ahead, take a seat inside the car. Well, once we're there we'll go through some of the interior. The exterior of the car is presented in the very nice black sapphire metallic, and the vehicle benefits from having the full BMW MPerformance carbon fibre kit, all of which you'll see as we go around the car. So this is the genuine BMW MPerformance kit, which was fitted at BMW. Alongside that, this vehicle features a wide array of options, and I'll be sure to get through as many of them as possible. However, this is an extremely well equipped vehicle. At the front of the car, you'll notice it is a 2017 67 reg, so it does benefit from that very nice facelift that the 4 Series had. Facelifted headlights, tail lights, and a few interior tweaks as well. At the front, you'll notice that very nice carbon fibre front splitter. Alongside that, them facelifted headlights I've just mentioned. We have the 20-inch MPerformance alloy wheels. Alongside that, they all have all the way around the Pirelli P0 tyres. It has the genuine BMW M Sport Plus pack, so we have the much larger front and rear brakes, Harman Kardon, privacy glass, and a few other nice interior features as well that I'll discuss as we go around. Down the side, you'll notice the satin side vinyls, MPerformance sidebars, and MPerformance decals. Onto the interior, where we find the very nice red Dakota leather, which in the front not only has the heated seat function thanks to that M Sport Plus pack, we have the electric function for the passengers and electric memory for the driver's side. Taking a close-up look at the Harman Kardon for you there. Interior trim is the very nice aluminium hexagon with the aluminium brushed accents, M Sport sill plates as you can see there. And we'll go ahead and take a glance at the rear seats now, not before showing you off that very nice privacy glass. The rear seats, of course, you get an ISOFIX rear bench, a centre folding armrest, and thanks to the vehicle being the M Sport model, you do get the very nice black headlining as well. Moving on to the rear, where once again, thanks to that genuine BMW MPerformance kit, you get the lovely carbon fibre rear spoiler. And of course, being a 435D, we do get the BMW xDrive 4-wheel drive system as standard. And of course, on the Gran Coupe, we get the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which reveals the very large boot space, which of course can be made even larger owing to the fact we do have the split folding seat function. This vehicle also has a rear facing reversing camera. Alongside that, it does have the front facing cameras as well, which I'll show you a little demonstration of very shortly. Moving on to the other side, where once again we will just take a second to appreciate how well these colours work together, of course combining the carbon fibre and satin black of the MPerformance kit. As you can see, these satin black and silver alloys work very well again with the whole package of the vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to step inside the car now, not before showing you off the electric memory for the driver's side and of course the power fold mirror function. Now I've started the vehicle up, of course you'll see we have got the professional wide navigation and media screen. We'll go ahead and take a look at the cameras. So there is the rear facing reversing camera. We've also got the side views. Those cameras are positioned on the front bumper, and again if I click into the cameras, we can select which view we would like to have, and that is the full 360 view camera, which basically gives you a bird's eye view over the vehicle. A very useful parking tool, and of course not only for going reversing into a space, it's also useful for pulling out of one if you're in a bit of a tight situation. Onto the other features that the vehicle has. Down below here, just above where your right knee will be, we have 2 buttons. These will activate the lane departure warning, as you can see here, if I turn that on and off again. And the other one activates the collision warning and pedestrian alert. These 2 buttons combined will basically give you an alert should the vehicle sense a collision about to happen. It will alert the driver via way of a sound, also an alert on the dashboard there. If no action is taken, the vehicle will apply the brakes and take action as it sees fit to. Another nice option on this car is the head-up display we have. As you can see there, it will not only display your current road speed, it will display the speed of the road that you are on. Also, it will display turn-by-turn directions should you have a sat-nav route set. We've got Bluetooth audio and of course Bluetooth telephone, DAB radio and a wide array of other multimedia inputs. And of course, it's an exceptionally clean and tidy place, owing to the fact that the vehicle has covered just over 35,000 miles. And there is just one last little thing I do want to show you. This vehicle comes equipped with the comfort access pack. So if I step outside the vehicle, I have got the keys in my hand. However, I'm not going to touch a button. I'm simply going to place my hand on the door handle. It'll lock for me, and I can even use the power folding mirror function alongside that by keeping my finger placed onto the pad, and it'll fold the mirrors up for me, along with taking the windows up the longer I hold my hand on the sensors on the door handles. Okay, so that will finish off our walk around video of the stunning 435D Msport Gran Coupe with the genuine MPerformance body styling kit. Thank you very much for watching the video. We do hope you enjoyed it, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you, take care, goodbye.